Hello everyone, let's learn how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Your theme on Instagram is white, and you want to change on dark. Because when you are in the dark your eyes hurt, and you want to fix it, you are in right place. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. Make sure you is Instagram updated. So go to the App Store or Play Store and check is your Instagram updated. First go on your Instagram app. After that tap on this little icon to go on your profile. Then tap on this 3 lines. And go on settings. Now you need to scroll down to find theme field, and click on that. So now you need to select a dark theme, and wait to change, and you are finished. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. Goodbye.